kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped organs that are part of the urinary system. The kidneys are dark red, slightly flattened, bean-shaped organs, each about 10 centimeters long, 5 centimeters wide, and 2 to 3 centimeters thick, with an average weight of 120 to 170 grams. The other components of this system are the ureters, urinary bladder, and the urethra. One of the main jobs of the kidney is to filter the waste out of the blood. The urinary system regulates the quantity and composition of fluids by removing metabolic wastes from our body. The system helps in retaining proper amounts of water, salts, and nutrients in the body. The kidneys are placed against the back wall of the abdominal cavity, just below the diaphragm, one on either side of the vertebral column. Their position is slightly asymmetrical. The left kidney is placed a little higher than the right. The outer surface of a kidney is convex, and the inner surface is concave. The inner surface has a deep notch. Here you can see the ureter, renal artery, and renal vein entering the kidney through this notch. A fibrous capsule surrounds the kidney. Inside the kidney, there are two zones, the cortex and the medulla. The cortex is a reddish-brown layer of tissue below the capsule, whereas medulla is a form of pale conical-shaped striations. The main function of the kidneys is to remove waste products and excess water from the blood. The kidney does it with the help of tiny filters present in it. These filters are called nephrons. The cortex and medulla together comprise millions of such nephrons, all packed together. The nephron is the structural and functional unit of a kidney. Each nephron consists of a renal corpuscle and a renal tubule. A renal corpuscle is composed of two structures: a tangled cluster of blood capillaries called glomerulus and a thin-walled sac-like structure called the Bowman's capsule, which surrounds the glomerulus. The glomerulus is actually a miniature filtering or sieving device, which consists of a tightly coiled network of capillaries. Waste is filtered from the blood and collected as urine. Healthy kidneys act like a strong filter to make sure the right amount of wastes and fluids are removed from our body. As each kidney makes urine, the urine slides down through a long tube called ureter. Ureters from both the kidneys open into a storage sac known as urinary bladder. Here, urine is stored until the bladder is emptied by urinating. The bladder is connected to another tube-like structure called the urethra for the removal of urine out of the body. Every day, our kidneys process around 200 liters of blood, and around 1 to 2 liters of waste is removed as urine.